Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amanda. I am 13 years old and I'm in ninth grade at Fairfax High School. And I made a presentation for the renovation of Masjid At-Thohir. And so this is the front of the presentation. And as you can see here, there's a picture of the masjid. And this is before the renovation. So this slide is about Masjid At-Thohir. Masjid At-Thohir was established in August 2017 with the help of many donations from our community. The masjid used to be a church, but it was bought and turned into a masjid. Ever since then, the masjid has been holding activities for everyone and classes for kids and youth who are interested in learning more about Islam on Saturdays. Parents sell and serve a variety of Indonesian traditional food there, and 15% of the profit they earn is donated to the masjid. The classes at Masjid At-Thohir teach students about the Quran and how to read it, Islamic studies, and also how to be a good Muslim. It isn't only about learning, but students can interact to one another and form strong bonds with each other. In addition, there have been several events held by the masjid like summer camps and lectures. Masjid At-Thohir is welcome to anyone who wants to learn more about our religion. Masjid At-Thohir is currently in renovation and it really needs donations, so it would be greatly appreciated if you can support our mosque by donating. The Messenger of Allah said, "Whoever builds a house for Allah, then Allah will build for him a similar house in Jannah." So these pictures right here are the pictures of the masjid being renovated, and if you can donate to the masjid, it would really help it speed the process. So after the renovation, the masjid will look like an example right here, this picture, and this is the masjid before renovation, and after we hope it will look like this picture. So I've had such a fun time and experience at Masjid At-Thohir these past 3 years. I attended most of their events, like their summer camps and competitions. I was also a student in their Saturday school. I learned more deeply about Islam as I grew stronger bonds with many of my friends and strengthened my communication skills. When I'm older, I hope to share my knowledge about Islam with everyone, especially on how to read the Quran. I've been learning about Islam with my teacher since I was 5 years old, and now we have moved to the masjid to have more activities. The competitions were also very fun as well. We got to do like Arabic calligraphy art and create vlogs about Islam and quizzes, and everyone earned money and trophies at the end, so it was another great experience that I enjoyed. The memories at Thohir will always be in my heart. I hope to go back to the masjid soon. I'm so grateful that we have our own masjid. Since March, we couldn't go to the masjid because of the pandemic and the masjid under renovation, so I'm really excited to go back. So these pictures right here are the activities that we had at Masjid At-Thohir, like the calligraphy art and the lectures, the competitions that we had. So I hope that you consider donating to our masjid. Your generosity would be appreciated because this masjid is for our future and will eventually belong to the new generation. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
I also donated because I was grateful that the masjid provided me with education of Islam.
I donated because I feel like it's a place where kids like me can go and learn. Then when I grow up, I want other kids to go and learn about Islam.